Hi everyone. So today we're going to be making shepherd's pie, or some people call it mincemeat pie. And what I have here, some chopped onions. I've cooked some potato, about 3 medium-sized potato which I cubed. And I have 3 carrots which I also cubed. And I have some garlic, a little bit of the thick soy sauce with the Worcestershire sauce, and mashed potatoes here, some black pepper, and I'll be using about 1 pound of ground beef or more. So this mashed potato will be using to layer the bottom of the baking dish together with the top layer. So we'll be right back. So I've had this pan heating for about a couple of minutes here. So what I do is I just put a little bit of garlic, and I'll put the onions all right in there and just saute it for a couple of minutes till it gets soft. You can just turn up the heat a little bit. And if you need to, just add a little bit more oil. And then right here, I'll put in some ginger, onion, and garlic paste. And I will have the link to this recipe below at the comments, so you could check it out. It's real easy to make. And then at this point, you can add in the beef. It's going to take a while to cook this, but just keep breaking it up and mixing up the onions and the beef. So at this point, the beef is already cooked. So this is where you add some seasoning. Just add some black pepper, and you can have some salt. You mix it up. And then you can add the carrots and the potatoes. And then finally, this is optional because some people do not like this green peas here. Some people use green beans, but we like green peas, so this is optional. Just add some into the mixture here. And then just add the soy sauce together with the soy sauce. And you can always add more seasoning when you want to. And I'll just add some water and let it cook down a little bit. And this should take about 10 minutes. So while we're waiting for the mincemeat to cook, I've started layering the baking dish, the bottom part of it, with mashed potato, and it's real easy. All you have to do is grab some of this potato and you just kind of do that, and then slowly lay it at the bottom like that, and then just keep going till you cover the whole bottom and the sides. And then we have to wait for the mincemeat to cool off before we can put the ingredients inside, and we will cover the top back up with mashed potatoes. We'll be right back. So the mixture is done, it's cooked. So at this point, if you need to add more seasoning, salt or pepper, you can do so right now. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cool off before we start putting the pie together. So we'll be right back. So the mincemeat is nice and cool right now, so we can fill this up. And just level it up. And then all you gotta do is just cover it up with layer it up with the mashed potato at the top. That's all you do, just do that. And you start from the corner. Just keep doing it until the whole thing is covered. So I've covered it all up right now, and what I like to do is just use a regular fork and kind of make some indentation like that. Just go like that. Nothing fancy. And that's it. And all you got to do is you can wrap it up, put it in the fridge and bake it whenever you want to, or you could throw it in the oven right now. So that's it, mincemeat pie. So to bake this will be 250 degrees for about an hour until it turns golden brown. We'll be right back.